Every gym owner spends money trying to get new members. But what if I told you that the easiest members to get are the ones who have already paid you before? Think about it. These people already know your gym, they already trust your trainers, and they have already made the decision to join once. Most gyms completely forget about them after they stop coming. So in this video, I am going to show you how gyms can instantly connect with past members using WhatsApp. Just look at this campaign. This is not just a plain text message. It's a professional comeback offer, includes a personalized greeting, an attractive promotional banner, exclusive discounts, and many more. The moment an older member receives this message, they are reminded about their fitness goals and given a good reason to start coming back again. And the best part, whether you have 100 or even thousands of old members, you don't need to message anyone manually. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to upload your member list, personalize every message with the member's name, and automatically send this campaign to your entire audience using Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are managing a gym, you may have hundreds or even thousands of old members in your database. Reaching out to each one manually would take hours of work. Pabbly Chatflow solves this problem by allowing you to send personalized WhatsApp campaign at scale. So instead of spending your time manually following up with old members, Pabbly Chatflow helps you to automate entire process and reach your audience in just few clicks. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly by pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features where you have to go inside this broadcast feature. As we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, see, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, with the help of which you can easily send bulk WhatsApp messages to your predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, or updates. Using Pabbly Chatflow broadcast, you can reconnect to your old gym members without manually messaging everyone from your site. You just have to do some simple setup. Now, for creating a new broadcast, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button, where at first you have to select the broadcast type from here. That I am selecting as broadcast campaign. After that, give your broadcast name that I am entering as gym comeback offer. Here in this field, you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send the broadcast message. I am selecting it as a new list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your gym members contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go towards this contacts feature and click on this plus add contact button. You can also add contact one by one manually as well as add in bulk. I recommend you to add contacts in bulk. Here you have to upload the CSV file contains users contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the sheet where I have added the first name, last name, and the phone number of the previous gym members. After adding all of your contacts inside your Google Sheets, you need to download it in a CSV format. I have added inside Google Sheet, but you can also use Excel as well. And one more thing, only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can upload up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a contacts, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then simply drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload files button. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert buttons. After that, you have to click on this this plus add contacts. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now for creating a list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some before, and this is the list that I have selected in our broadcast setup, where I added only 68 contacts. After selecting the contact list, next one is the refine audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from here. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Next one is the message type. It is the most important part of creating a broadcast campaign, where you need to select the message type. It will provide you two names: pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting message type from here and enter the message on this field, but I recommend you to select the message type as pre-approved template message, because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After selecting this option, click on this button and select this gym comeback offer template. Next, in this body field, I am entering dollar symbol with name. See, with the help of this dollar symbol and the variable name, automatically in this place the user's name will come completely based on the sheet that I have uploaded inside Pabbly Chatflow and selected on the previous contact list step. After this, I'm going to upload one image to make this template more attractive. See, it is uploaded, and this is the final look of the template that are going to be sent to the old gym members. After that, I am clicking on this done button. Now for creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go towards this feature, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, but before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of broadcast setup for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates based on your different type of businesses. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. And here I have already created some templates before, and this is the gym comeback offer template that we are using in this tutorial. As you can see that I have used one variable by the name of name and also added two curly brackets at the beginning and the ending of this variable. Automatically in this place the gym member's name will come. After selecting the template, now I am going to test this broadcast. That's why I am entering a username as test user and entering my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. After that, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a message and it includes my name as a test user. Exactly same that I have entered here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, here you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this template to all the contacts that are present inside this list immediately, then you can select the option as no set instantly and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule it for later, then you can select this option. I am scheduling this broadcast for later. Let's say I want to send this templates to my gym members on 21 of June at 4:40 p.m. Okay, on 21 of June 2026 at 4:40 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my old gym members. After selecting date and time, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. See, our broadcast is created successfully and here it is scheduled too. So that's it. This is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Chatflow. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. You can also see the status of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored here. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this amazing broadcast campaign setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own gym too and re-engage your lost gym members. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.